Are you worried about how to optimally manage your personal and business finances on Hahalolo Payment Account? A payment solution that helps you with secure and flexible payment experiences. Learn how to create and manage a payment account on Hahalolo. Go to Payment Account, or click the icon, or visit wallet.hahalolo.com. Sign into your payment account. Click Create Personal Payment Account, or Create Business Payment Account, depending on intended use. Fill out payment account information in a complete and accurate way. Click Continue to complete the payment account creation process. Create Payout Account. Click Payout Accounts to start the creation. Select Click Here to start creating a payout account. Fill out the information in a complete and accurate way, including account information, account owner, tax form, payment information. Click Complete to finish the payout account creation steps. Set up a PIN. Click Settings, select Security and Login. In the Set up a PIN section, click Setup. Enter and confirm 6 digits to create a PIN. Click Confirm to finish creating a new PIN. You have completed the payment account creation process on Hahalolo. Check out our optimal and convenient payment solution from today.